Meaning of föhn.
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 Föhn. Föhn is a type of wind that occurs on the leeward side of mountains. As moist air flows up and over the mountain, it cools, and water vapor condenses into clouds and precipitation. The dry air that descends on the opposite side of the mountain is warmed by compression and can become hot and gusty. This warm wind can have a range of effects, including melting snow, drying out vegetation, and even increasing wildfire risk. In some regions, föhn winds are also associated with changes in mood and physical health, such as headaches and irritability.